make money with a brand new CPA marketing, but you don't know where to start, then you are in the right video, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new CPA marketing website that's going to absolutely blow your mind. And if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure that you type in. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. First thing you have to do is sign up to the CPA marketplace that is called CPALead.com. Now, this is a platform where you're going to find a ton of different offers to be able to promote. If you have no idea what CPA is, it stands for cost per action, and this means that in most of the cases, people just have to enter in the email address for you to get paid. Someone is going to submit their email address in order to have a chance to win something. So, they want an incentive, so they're going to enter in their email address, and they're not even going to have to purchase anything. They just need to become a qualified lead, and you're going to earn a lot of commission. And it's not going to be a lot, maybe like $1 per user, but if you follow my entire method today, you're going to be making passive income on complete autopilot. So for step number 1, you're going to go on over to CPA.com, CPALead.com. You're going to then sign up to this website by pressing the sign up button over here. You're going to sign up as an advertiser. You're going to fill in all of the details that is being asked of you. Once you have an account, you're going to log in and you're going to see your dashboard, which shows basically all of your earnings. And now it's 0, but that is about to change. And if you want to withdraw your money, you're just going to need to enter in your payment details in the account section. It's that easy, that's simple. Step number 3, you're going to choose offers from the offer row on the left hand. So here is where you're going to be able to find the different offers that you can promote. Now, most of them are going to pay you $2 per person or $1 that you refer, but the reason why I love them is because they are giving great and huge incentives to the people who actually sign up. For example, this one that pays this per person, and then you refer, and if they sign up, they're going to have a chance to win a huge amount of money. So it's going to be a lot easier to make someone sign up to an offer where they're going to receive an incentive in return, because they have a chance to win something, which is why this works so great. To grab an affiliate link, you're just going to click on that link that you want to promote. You're going to get your link right away, and now you're going to want to copy your affiliate link and start sharing it to make some money. Now, you need to set up a landing page using bio.link. Now, this platform lets you use and create and have different links on one particular page. So as you can see, you're going to enter any name in this box. You're going to claim your link that you're going to sign up to by clicking on the bio.link, following the simple instructions. I also highly suggest that you guys upload a profile photo to do this, and you're just going to go into flaticon.com, where you're going to get a lot of different copyright free icons that you can use for completely free. You can type in giveaway because you want to make a landing page that is related to giveaways. You're going to scroll down a little bit, you're going to choose your preferred image, you're going to download it, go on back and upload that. Open it up, and this is what it's gonna look like. So this is your profile picture name, for example, this, and this is your link. Now you can copy this, and that is a landing page link. Now you can start customizing this, and you can start adding different links, and this is super important. So this is what you have to do. If you guys want to make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have an amazing surprise for you guys that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check our description box down below if you want to make even more money online. And I want you guys to comment down below what country you reside in and what payment method you guys prefer, so that I can use it for my future videos. And I always appreciate it when you guys comment down below, because it helps me think of new ideas and concepts. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. So on the left side, you're going to be able to preview your landing page. But for now, first link, you're going to want to click add a new link, and then you're going to want to add a title, which is going to be the title of the offer that you're going to be choosing. For example, this, and the URL is going to be your affiliate link. So you want to copy the URL, and then you're going to paste that affiliate link in the box. You're going to click on save now. You're going to do the process again and add as many of these different offers as possible, because when someone lands on this landing page, they want to sign up to different offers, because because they have more chances of winning. Also, the more giveaways people sign up for, the more money you're going to be able to make. So instead of them just making a few cents for this one offer, you're going to find a different giveaway and promote that giveaway as well. You're going to click on save, and then you're going to go on to the link to show you how it looks like. So as you can see, super nice. There's a private picture that says giveaway or whatever, that we have these different offers that they can sign up to, whatever they want to choose and make money from. Now all they have to do is drive traffic into that bio.link URLs, and I'm going to show you 2 different traffic sites that you're going to be able to use. Now the first one is an Instagram page. So you can create one that's related to giveaways. You're just going to select a great username. You're going to write a short but nice bio that's going to attract a ton of people. You can add the link for the landing page here too, and don't even worry, you're not going to need any followers for this. When someone comes on the page, they're going to see like, hey, they have a ton of different giveaways in their bio. I should click on the link, and that's in your bio. So everybody wants to win something for free, and that's why it works amazing. So as soon as you complete your bio, you're just going to go onto Instagram. You're going to start searching for different pages that have the same niche or the same business. For example, you can search for giveaway pages, and you can start following people who follow these people, or you can just follow people who liked those giveaway posts or who are participating in those giveaways. And if someone is already participating in a giveaway, there's a great chance they're going to want to participate in your giveaways as well, because any giveaway that is free is amazing and anybody would want that. So they can just go onto the landing page, fill out their details, and we're gonna be able to make money. You can even just reach out to them. You can DM them telling them you have giveaways, that they're gonna want to join, share your link with them, something like that. And then for the second traffic source for your landing page, you're going to go on to canva.com. Canva is another amazing platform where you can create professional looking designs from done for you templates for completely free. So you don't even have to make them yourself. You're just going to select the custom size to be 720 by 1280, and it's going to open up this type of design. This is like a mobile version, and then on the left side you can select some of the templates, try to find something that's related to money or business, and you can even add your own logo here, which can be that flat icon image that you picked out earlier, which you can drag all the way to the template. And now you can just start customizing this image if you want, as much as you want. Just like change the colors, the designs, the font. It's really easy and it's so simple. You're gonna paste the giveaway there. For example, get a chance to win a total prize of $1,500. And then for this button, you're also gonna want to do the same thing, create a call to action on that design. So you could say click here to participate in tons of different giveaways or something like that. You can also add your Instagram username here if you want. Now you're going to want to download this design from Canva into your computer, and then you're going to share it on a platform called Pinterest. So this is Pinterest.com, which is a platform visited by hundreds and millions of people every single month. It's a great traffic source for whatever you want to promote. So first of all, you're going to sign up to Pinterest for completely free. You're then going to create a pin. You're going to be taken to a page where you can upload your design, which you had just downloaded from Canva. Add a title that's related to giveaways. So maybe you can say win $1,000 or win $1,500 gift card or something like that, to be able to really grab people's attention. Before we finish up, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every single day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit that notification bell, because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then. So if they're going to see this post on Pinterest, they're going to want to learn more, and then you can just tell them in your description what the pin is about. So you can say, hey, we have 5 different new giveaways on this page. Click here to enter all of them. Give them the link, and the most important thing is going to be your bio link. So you want to go back to Pinterest, you want to paste the destination link here. And this is what's going to look like. And then when someone sees the post, they can also click on the post and be redirected to buy the link, and you can make money out of this. So we're going to publish the pin, see how it looks. Again, Pinterest is going to be completely free, and you can also share anything. You don't even have to promote it outside of Pinterest anymore. So those are the 2 different big traffic sources that you can use for completely free. Send people to your landing page where your different CPA offers are, and you're going to make so much money like wildfire. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.